Well, Dan, a glorious afternoon, even though not the weather quite for you today. You must be pleased with that score and performance.
Yeah, we talked before the game just about being selfless and having that togetherness, and I think they showed that in abundance today. We worked really hard for each other. Some awesome goals scored as well, and yeah, really proud of the group.
You mentioned the goals, 6 today, 10 last week. I think it makes it 18 in the last 3 games since you lost that 2 games to Cardiff and Wrexham. So how much does that add to the squad and to the players, to keep that pressure on the top 2?
Yeah, no, you're right. It's something that Izzy and myself have been working on in training, and sort of decision making in the final third. And as you can see in the last few games, I think we've created awesome opportunities and a variety of different opportunities. We're not scoring from the same type of goals, and it's not always the same type of players. I know Deeks get a few today, but yeah, we are creating chances. We're causing problems for defences as well. So yeah, really pleased.
Last year you lost to Llansawel and then you drew 0-0 here. So to get that win, it's a local derby, isn't it? That must be even better.
Yeah, obviously derbies are quite tough, quite challenging. But yeah, obviously building on last year, sort of a season to forget for us. But yeah, to come out and put performance in and put everything right that wasn't great last year, it was brilliant.
Rhys, a tough afternoon here today for you. How do you react to that loss?
Disappointed, difficult game. And I think first 10 minutes, I thought we started well. We looked bright. I thought we were creating chances, as in moments where we could have threaded the through ball to exploit the spaces in behind. I think the disappointing thing for us was, I think, the speed at which they racked up a few goals, and there was a spell in that game where I think we unravelled a little bit defensively, and that's disappointing, because that's been an issue that I think that we've had this season, where one goal goes in and because of how we react to that, we continue to concede chances and things kind of get away from us there. I think on the upside to that is the reaction that we had. I think second half was really proud, to be honest, that the players kept going, because how things started, sort of towards the end of that first half, things could have got quite bad there, but the players really dug in and fought for the shirt, and I'm really proud of that.